Okay, we're showing you this book.
That was from yesterday. This is today. So I want to wear it.
It's the
Shoot that camera.
little dog. And then
Shoot that
the smell iPod. If Doc will get out of the way. Stop it! You smell it. Stuff like that. And
she won't die.
this is like for babies when they...
She can't die.
It's when they jump ahead.
That can't.
And this
She can't die.
is the juicer. The helmet squeezer. I think Mr. Mosby. And this is...
Stella and the
Move!
Yeah. Shut up.
This is a pillow book jacket.
Shut up!
And that is like the ice plate. You're supposed to stay behind the chair. And yeah. And this is like the automatic shoe.
Automatic poo-poo.
And this pencil lead nail polish. Would you stay out?
Stand.
Move! You can see later. The pull down perfect bedroom when it's a mess. And then he's doing that right there. Move! There, and then he's gonna pull it down. Right there.
Crap.
And it's called the pull down perfect bedroom. And this is the mood collar. It's for cats.
It's the green.
The blue is this. And then this right here is a lolly brush. Okay, the blue one is right here. That one is displeased. The red one is annoyed, and the green one is sullen, whatever. And
Yeah, it's a freaking paper.
this is the belt hook hammock.
I don't see it.
And over here is the hair hoodie. And this right here is the inflatable booster pants. This one is self-check belly brush. The dog walks around and it cleans the floor for you. This right here is called, what is it called?
Ear and nose muffs.
Okay, what's this one? The
The
throw-yo.
throw-yo.
Looks like that. Okay. And this is called Scratch and Sniff Minus. Here's a little, can't see it, little more view. And this one is called the Soundproof Underpants.
Are these fake stuff?
No, they're real. And the last one is Storytelling Slings. The guy has a broken arm. And then there's some at the bottom of like
Yeah, I
other
hate
stuff.
this bag.